Anong ganap sa mundo ng showbiz? Binasag na ng babaeng Vietnamese ang kanyang pananahimik sa pag-uugnay sa kanya sa hiwalayan ng kapamilya stars na sina Daniel Padilla at Catherine Bernardo. Sa Instagram post, pinagdiinan ni Min Phuong o Emma na never niyang na-meet si Daniel at nakilala lamang daw niya ito nang bumisita ang aktor sa Vietnam last year kasama ang mga kaibigan. Pag-aari raw kasi ng kapatid niya ang bar na pinuntahan ni Daniel sa Vietnam at nagbatian lamang sila. Nakiusap siya sa mga netizen na tigilan na ang pagpapakalat ng maling impormasyon dahil nalalagay na raw sa panganib ang kanyang buhay at trabaho. My brother told me that Daniel is there and I can say hi to him because I know he is a famous actor. I saw Daniel and his friends in the bar, exchanged a few words, and then I went back home with my sister. That is the end of my interaction with him. I know you guys love and appreciate your idol. I also feel the same to the artists I support. But please be civilized and polite. Please be a cultured person. You guys have threatened my life and my job. Sent messages and spammed my family and friends. This is something I would not wish to happen to anyone. I am a common Vietnamese citizen. I work, hang out with my friends, meet people, and live my life normally. I hope you maintain dignity and respect when coming to my social media and please do not act without thinking. Paliwanag ni Phuong. Kung nagustuhan mo ang content na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang share, like, at mag-comment ng inyong opinyon. And favor naman po, please don't skip the ads.